people, welcome back to my channel. This is the first time stopping by. Hello, my name is Debby. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to be a part of this family. I know you guys are looking at my face. Don't mind the pimples around my nose. I am so sick. It's already January. Today is first Sunday. I didn't even go to church. I have a lot to do. We finally got admission to the University of Ghana. But whatever, we have to park. I'm going to move my things to this room. This is my workspace, my work area, workspace, whatever you call it. I'm going to move everything here and then we'll start packing, okay?
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up. Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
One eternity later.
So at this point, I had been able to pack a few. I forced. It was like 7 p.m. at this time. It was just left with my electrical appliances, my blender, my kettle, microwave. Hey, did I say microwave? Sorry. My rice cooker and some other stuffs. And I packed my provisions in this bag, like foodstuffs in this bag. That was all I had it in here. And that container down there really helped. I just put my spices in there and it saved me like so much space. You guys can try it if you're packing. And this bag was just for my utensils, buckets and all of that. I had a lot to pack though, so yeah, this is how far I had come. I have a whole lot of mess going on, but it'll all come together, okay?
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
So you guys, this is the second time I'm uploading this video. Like, what I'm saying in the video is not what I'm saying now. I'm just doing a voiceover. I uploaded the video the first time and I realized there was a copyright claim and it was coming from this part, so I had to take it down and then make sure I mute this part. My junior brothers were just playing music in the background. I didn't even think it would come in because they were quite far from me, but it did, so I had to just mute this part. I was basically saying I'm moving my clothes to that room, so we just continue packing because my hair was done at this point, my nails were done, so we had to move on because I was leaving the next day. So let me just cut it and then we'll continue, okay?
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
So I was done packing with everything I needed to pack into those jute bags, and I was just packing my clothes in this bag. But the way I folded the clothes really saved me like so much space. I hope you guys can see how I'm folding it. I just fold it like pencil. I don't know how to explain, but you guys are seeing. I just folded it that way and it saved me so much space. I was thinking I would need like an extra one. Well, I did use 2 more bags, but it's really saved me so much space. Like a lot of things fit in there. So you can try folding your things that way if you're trying to save space, because it saved me so much. Okay, so everything is packed now. This bag has my clothes and all of that, and then this one has my provisions and some other tools, some hair tools, and this one has my utensils and buckets, all of that in this big bag. And I got these 2 small bags. One has like my bed sheets and my blankets, and one has my bags and my shoes and all of that. And these small stuffs were stuff that I need to pack in my backpack, so I just left them in the chair. I packed them later on. So yeah, that is all for the packing.
So guys, we are done packing. I am done packing. Nobody helped me. I have this too on my forehead. I don't know. But yes, we're done packing. We'll be leaving tonight. Okay, I'll be leaving in my room with a nice bath. So I'm just going to take my shower and sleep. It's like 3 right now, 3 p.m. Can you imagine? Since yesterday, 3 p.m. So I'm just going to take my shower and sleep and prepare for the night bath. But I'll be vlogging me moving to campus as well. So that will be in another vlog. I don't want to add it to this one. It'll be like way too long. Nana, say hi.
Hi.
So that one will be in another vlog. I don't want this vlog to be way too long. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video when I'm moving. Bye.